personal appreciation, make sure that people get the best service. That's what we're here for. So we're saying, we're starting in January as train drivers, we're starting being acknowledged by all of us, unions included, because we're saying that's what we want to do. And I think everybody in this organization, we're here because we want to change the manner in which a commuter travels in our own organization. They must begin to see us as different people. So as you're going to be starting in the corridor, Mahlangu, and I'm not focusing on the test, I'm focusing on the train that's going to have human beings. As you're going to start at Mahlangu Gardens, in that whole corridor, people must experience it as a different service. That's what we want to see. So you're here, and I'm saying therefore, the reason why we're doing it in January, we don't want you to start in October. That attitude must start now. People must see you today. When you live here, you're a different person. When you live here, you give commuters a different service. The unions should begin to talk about a different service that is coming. The executives need to begin to craft a different service so that everybody can know that Prasa has arrived with a new model, not just a new train, a new model of business. That's what we're here about. And I want to say to all of us that are in this room today, that's what we're going to be doing in this year, and we need everybody's support to start championing a new business for the commuter of South Africa. Thank you.
Thank you, Ben, for those encouraging words.